Good morning, everyone. Let's learn again about the exposition of the divine principle. So, we are now in section 3 in this chapter 3, the last days. So, 3.1, the meaning of the last days. So, the last days, and it's this time when, with the advent of the Messiah, as the turning point, the evil world under satanic sovereignty is transformed. So, satanic sovereignty is transformed into the ideal world under God's sovereignty. So, hell on earth will be transformed into the kingdom of heaven on earth. So, in this chapter 3, section 3, this is only the explanation of the last day. So, everybody, bye everyone.